So as we know that DeepSeek have recently launched its R1 model, whose performance is comparable with the OpenAI's O1 model. And DeepSeek R1 model is free to use locally if we download its model. That is they have multiple models that as 1.5 billion parameter model and so on. So how we can download it and run it locally? So for that, firstly, we need to go onto the Ollama. To run it, we need Ollama. So first, for that, just open your browser and search for ollama.com. Then after that, you have to download this Ollama onto your machine to run the different models. For that, select your device type. So I'm using Windows. So I am selecting the Windows and downloading it for the Windows. So I have already downloaded this. So I am fast forwarding this process. After your downloadation is completed for the Ollama, you have to click on the models and just select the DeepSeek R1. So here you can see that there are multiple dense models are here. That is a 1.5 billion parameter model, 7 billion, 8 billion, 14 billion, 32 billion, and 70 billion. This 32 billion parameter and 70 billion parameter model has equivalent performance as OpenAI's O1 mini model. So if you have the hardware, means if you have the our computer, then you can download any model above 7 billion parameters. If you have just personal laptop like me, just download the 1.5 billion parameter model or 7 billion. So currently I'm downloading 1.5 billion parameter model. Or then just select this 1.5 billion. Then on the right hand side here, one command will be generated. That is the open Ollama run DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion. Just copy this and open command prompt. In the command prompt, just paste it. So what it is doing, it is downloading this 1.5 billion parameter model onto your local machine. So now its downloadation is completed. It is saying that send a message. So just I will simply say hi. So now here you can see that this model is a reasoning model. So it is thinking about the message, what to give the output based on what reasoning. So that reasoning will come into this think text. So now it was just a simple message that is a hi. So that's why it haven't think that much. So let's give some prompt to it, like plan a destination wedding in Bali for 100 people. So now after entering this prompt, here you can see that it is doing reasoning. So in the think tag, it is doing its reasoning, that what means how this model is thinking about the prompt. So it has think like, all right, the user wants to plan a destination wedding in Bali for 100 people. Let me break down that needs to be addressed. So it have break down the needs, and after its thinking and its reasoning, it will give us the proper output. So now its reasoning is completed. Now it is giving us the proper output. So this is how we can use this DeepSeek R1 model locally. And in the upcoming tutorials, we will be looking at how we can create our AI agents using this DeepSeek R1 model. So if you like my content, please like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you.